All right, y'all. I just picked up another grocery haul out here at Publix. So about to head home now. Let's see what all we got and what we're gonna make. All right, y'all, so this is our full grocery haul from Publix. So just to run through everything, got these Kashi granolas. These were buy one, get one free, so had to get two. We got our 100% cacao that we always like to put in our oatmeals. Got some of this sourdough bread. Probably toast this, make some avocado toast, and add some sauteed mushrooms to it. Gotta have our black beans. We always like to keep these on hand. Salty sweet mixed nuts. These were also a BOGO. Kale, of course, for sauteing, salads, juices, smoothies, all of that good stuff. We got some good old collard greens, baby. 2 bunches for $5. Some green grapes. Wonder Woman loves these. We got our frozen fruits, our sliced baby bella mushrooms, some ginger. Gotta keep this on hand. Can anyone guess what this is? If you guessed rutabaga, you're correct. I don't have a prize for you, unfortunately, so apologies. So we'll do the greens, some rutabaga, and we also have some black-eyed peas that probably whip up as well. Got some good, huge beets right here. Broccoli, red onion, lemon for juicing, green apples for juicing. Gotta have our blueberries for oatmeal, cereal, other things. Strawberries, avocado, and then some pink lady apples. So the total price for everything came out to $174.19. I ended up saving $40.45 from all of the BOGOs and little member discounts. So what I'm probably gonna do now is make some of the avocado toast with the sourdough bread. Again, gonna add some sauteed mushrooms to that. And then later we'll cook the collard greens, rutabaga, and black-eyed peas. So here we go. So why don't you tell the people what you just discovered?
Grapes? Delicious grapes. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Told y'all.
Wait, you predicted this?
Yeah, kinda. All right, y'all. Time to make some mushroom and avocado toast. We're gonna add some onions in with the sauteed mushroom mix, some sauteed kale on the side for some extra greens. Also gonna top it off with some toasted pumpkin seeds, the everything bagel seasoning. Of course, gotta have that, and the balsamic glaze. Okay, so now we're about to add what we like to call our sauteed mushroom trifecta, and that includes liquid aminos, Worcestershire sauce, and some liquid smoke. Oh, speaking of smoke, a little steam there. But yes, we add this pretty much all the time to this baby portobello mushroom sauteed mix, and it never fails. All right, and here's what we're making for our next meal. Black-eyed peas, collard greens, and rutabaga. Very simple, but very good. instead of cooking these collard greens separately, I'm just gonna add them here into the black eyed peas. Why? Well, why not?